You're a bad robot. Doly is so cute. I think it just sneezed. I love this robot. This is Doly, an open source AI desktop robot project that focuses heavily on privacy, local AI, and letting you actually control the robot instead of locking you into a closed system. Now, I have gotten a bunch of complaints and comments on other videos about other robots where their servers go down or their companies go out of business, and then your robot that is on your shelf or on your desk just becomes useless junk. But Doly claims to be different. So that is why I am super excited to get this thing opened up. Speaking of, this is everything that Doly comes with. We've got some cute stickers, we've got the base, which looks pretty nice, and then of course we have the robot, and finally, we get this little card in here that says, "Hi, I'm your new robotic friend. Together we'll explore, create, and make amazing memories." I'll be the judge of that. On the back of that card, you'll find a QR code with a setup guide and a link to download the Doly app.
Wait, is it Doly or Dolly? Uh-oh. My wife said she thinks it's Doly. I'm just gonna pronounce it both ways in this video.
Anyways, after downloading this app, you'll sign up and connect your Doly robot, and this is where the fun begins. All right, Doly is turning on. Oh, Doly is super cute. And it looks like Doly's only half charged. I didn't charge him at all before actually doing this video, so bear with me here. Hopefully he doesn't die. So just a quick look around the app. We've got utilities, we've got Blockly, we've got customize, we've got settings, we've got interact, and we've got explore. And it looks like over here on the left, it tells you what his mood is. Hey, Doly, how are you?
I am doing awesome.
Oh.
What about you?
I'm doing good. I didn't even know that you were gonna already start talking. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the actual interaction tab inside the app and click say. Hey, Doly, arm movement. Wow, that was a super fast prompting time. Let's try another one. Hey, Doly, what's the weather like?
81 Fahrenheit.
Yep, Austin, Texas is hot. Hey, Doly. Oh, I think it just sneezed. Hey, Doly, where'd you come from?
I come from the future.
From the future? Interesting. Oh, this robot is awesome. Hey, Doly, what time is it here in Austin, Texas?
6:31 p.m.
Dude, the prompting was almost done before I even got done talking. Hey, Doly, take a photo. All right, let's try asking it some actual questions. Hey, Doly, what is 10 times 7?
The result is 70.
Hey, Doly, do you like humans?
Yes, you make the world interesting.
Can you dance?
Oh yeah, check out these moves.
I think it might be because it's too close to the edge of the table. Hey, Doly, what's your hobby?
Browsing the internet.
Me too. Are you angry?
No anger detected. All systems are calm.
Hey, Doly, change your eye color to green. Oh, that was cool. Hey, Doly, change your eye color to blue. Change your eye color to purple. What? That is awesome. Hey, Doly, pretend that we're on a beach. Yeah, Doly, get it. Imagine you're reading a book. That's what my eyes feel like after reading a book too long. Hey, Doly, what does a dog sound like?
Get ready.
What does a cat sound like? What does a pigeon sound like?
I will try to be a chicken.
What? Okay, chicken's good enough. All right, let's see if we can make Doly sad. You're a bad robot. You're a good robot.
You are the best human.
Hey, Doly, give me a fist bump. Good job. Okay, so talking wise and interaction wise, already Doly is one of my favorite robots. But I do want to try out some of its games. It's got Quick Match, Super Spin, and Sleepy Doly. And I don't know how to play any of those. Super Spin sounds like it's kind of like a slot machine, so let's play that one. So I guess we just... Okay, let's try Sleepy Doly.
Get ready.
Okay, so in this, we have to move the arms slowly back. We don't want to wake up Doly. Oh. But if you do it too fast... Oh, you wake him up! That's a pretty inventive game. Okay, the last one is Quick Match. I want to move on to the Blockly tab in the app. And there is beginner, standard, and advanced. Let's go with beginner. So you can choose between eye, sound, drive, arm, lights, and time. Let's do eyes first, then sound, then we'll have it change its eyes again. And then let's have it drive 1. And then let's do some lights. Let's do green, because that's my favorite color. And then time. And now we just press play. There are the eyes.
Wow.
There's the sound. So it's got really good sensors because it couldn't complete it because it thought it was gonna go off the table. Okay, so as you can probably tell from this video, I really like Doly. And after spending a few days with it, I want to talk about the pros, the cons, the things you may want to know if you want to buy this robot yourself. Now, the pros are plenty. I think that the design is amazing of this robot. The eyes are super cute. I think that the little arms that fly up are really cool. I like that it can move around your desk. I love that you can change out with different colors the little trackpad so you can really customize it. And I didn't really show this in the video, but inside of the app, there are a bunch more customization features. Even outside of coding it, you can also change the colors on its arms. Of course, you can change the color on its eyes, and you can also prompt the weather. You can prompt a lot of the stuff that you can ask it to do. But just the fact that it works so seamlessly with the app, everything connects really easily. I just overall love this robot. It also has really good edge detection. As you can see, if I push it towards the end, it immediately detects it. I also really appreciate that the company put a power button on the robot itself. You would not believe, or maybe you would if you've been on my channel for a while, how many of the robots on my shelf don't have a power button on them. And overall, the fact that it has local AI, which I don't know that any of the robots on my shelf even have local AI, so that if a server goes down with the company, you don't completely lose your robot friend. All of those things packaged together make this one of the best robots I've ever done on this channel. Now, having said that, there are some things that you may want to know if you're going to buy this robot that could be considered a con. I don't think it is, but it could be considered one. Now, number one is that you can't have full-fledged conversations with this robot yet. I did talk with the owner of Doly, or Doly, however you pronounce it, and he told me that they are actually going to come out with an update to this where you can ask it any question. I tried to prompt it, what are the planets in our solar system? And it wasn't able to answer because it doesn't have that feature yet. It can do the pre-programmed stuff, go a little bit outside of that, but it can't just answer any question or have a full conversation with you. However, like I said, that's coming. So I don't think that it's a huge con, because if you get this robot, it will come in a future update. And the other thing that you may want to know about this is the price of this robot. Currently, it is on sale for $399. It's a little pricey. However, it is on par with most of the robots here on my shelf. And the fact that it has local AI kind of sets it apart. Also, I should mention, if you buy it with the little colored tracks, that's an extra $15, so it goes $415 for the robot and the tracks, currently, as of March 2026. Now, having said all that, would I recommend this robot to you? Personally? Yes! Now, I should say as a caveat, the company did send me this robot to check out, but they didn't tell me what to say or anything. They just gave me free reign to give my full honest opinion on it. And this is my full honest opinion. I think that it's worth it to buy. However, you have to consider your budget and your personal desktop robot needs. But if you would like to pick up your very own Doly Doly or Dolly. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can pick up your own. Now, I will for sure be giving you updates on this little robot as well as adding it into my robot parties, which, by the way, I'm gonna throw a video right up here that you can check out next. I'm Eric. This is Eric's Tech World, where tech and adventure meet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.